seeking for a prize, searching for significance in each other's eyes.
Fighting for their rights, fighting harder for some cause, hoping to be recognized, waiting for applause, but reaching for a higher goal. What holy motives moves my soul? My greatest passion that I might live my life in God's control. A higher goal, a greater reason to live. A higher goal, a brand new reason to give. Go to live my life for Jesus Christ. I give my all to a higher goal. Helping hurting hearts, bringing hopes to empty lives, going forth with brokenness, sharing Jesus Christ, holding to the truth, standing boldly for the right, piercing through the wickedness with the sword